This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Faith Mormon. Extraordinary ranch-style home that will immediately captivate your attention with its enchanting foyer. Instantly, you will notice the cathedral ceiling that captures all of the natural light. Welcome home. Inviting open floor plan with 4 well-proportioned rooms, home office, formal dining room, frog, and breakfast area off the kitchen that overlooks the backyard. Host a summer party with a beautifully maintained backyard, which features an extended porch with fragrant bushes. The laminate wood flooring in the family room and tile in the kitchen was recently completed and new HVAC just under a year old. Situated in a highly sought-after Virginia Beach neighborhood in the Kellam School district. Schedule the showing now before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.